Now, remember I was talking about adrenals, right? And then I was talking about things that you compare your adrenal sin with your adrenal sin. Herbal remedies. Okay. So I was talking about like yin and yang, deficiency and things like that. So when you have dampness, you want to drain the dampness when you tonify your key and kidney yang. And then you realize that you also need more yin, then you end up taking what I told you, which is the 9 flavor tea and adrenal sin, because ultimately that's for diabetes. That's to help individuals that have kidney issues, liver issues, etc. You want to take that continuously, right? And so then you think about clearing, right? So you can compare it with clearing. You can either do 9 flavor tea or clearing depending on what you need. And a lot of times these individuals definitely suffer yin deficiencies. Okay. So when you are yin deficient, okay, then you want to basically use either clearing. So if you're starting to have diarrhea when you're taking adrenocin and you start getting diarrhea, you might want to take clearing, right? And if you have severe pain or acute inflammation or threat of like kidney stones in your readers, you would like clearing would be perfect for you, okay, with adrenocin to go ahead and handle your hormones, okay? The formula also addresses like diarrhea complaints with dry stomach. So remember, it's supposed to drain your dampness. So you might create some form of dryness in your stomach, your spleen dampness, and damp heat present as a syndrome, okay? So ultimately, it clears heat from the heart, lungs, liver, stomach, and bladder. It tonifies your spleen key and resolves dampness, and it circulates and nourishes the blood. So this is for addressing like chronic bladder infections, treating mouth sores like stomatitis, and addressing any form of chronic vaginal and urethral irritation and inflammation. Okay, so clearing is specific for a common pattern that presents with recurring or chronic vaginitis, so inflammation in the vagina. Many women in their 30s and 40s with this condition suffer from a combination of spleen key deficiency leading to dampness, liver heat, deficient heat, and stagnant blood. This may also occur with or without menstrual dysfunction. So it's a traditional formula, heat clearing lotus seed drink. It is modified to suit the typical complex syndrome pattern that the practitioner sees in clinical practices. Okay, so good luck with balancing hormones.